take an example of an ACT reading question. So we're going to look at specific detail and factual questions. Okay, what do you mean by a specific detail or a factual question? A specific detail question is a question that is very straightforward and you'll encounter them anywhere on the test. Got it? Basically, it's a very straightforward kind of a question. Like the name itself suggests, the questions are asking you to find out a specific detail within the passage. You don't have to have the knowledge of the whole passage. Let's take an example. So this is a very simple example. According to his friends, Mr. Cunningham resembles option A, Mr. Kernan, option B, a policeman, option C, Shakespeare, or option D, Mr. Power. So let's get into the passage. Let's see exactly whom Mr. Cunningham resembles. It would be directly given in the passage. Okay, let's look at the passage. So Mr. Cunningham was the very man for such a case. He was an elder colleague of Mr. Power. His own domestic life was not very happy. People had great sympathy for him, for it was known that he had married an unpresentable woman who was an incurable drunkard. He had set up the house for her 6 times, and each time she pawned the furniture on him. Everyone had respect for poor Martin Cunningham. He was a thoroughly sensible man, influential and intelligent. His blade of human knowledge, natural astuteness, particularized by very long associations with the cases in police courts, had been tempered by brief immersions in the waters of general philosophy. He was well informed. His friends bowed to his opinions and considered that his face was like Shakespeare's. Okay, so we have the context here. So here we have the context of Mr. Cunningham. He resembles whom, right? His friends bowed to his opinions and considered that his face was like Shakespeare's. So probably he resembles Shakespeare, right? Because of his vast knowledge. Yeah. So let's go to the options. Your option A, Mr. Kernan, option B, a policeman, option C, Shakespeare. So by the process of elimination, we have eliminated option A, B, and option D. The correct answer for this question is option C, Shakespeare. This is the meaning of a specific detailed question. Thanks for watching.